Kowalski, fetch me a screwdriver.
Right on it, Skipper.
Rico, uranium.
There you go, Skipper.
All right, here it goes.
Skipper, mind if I do something helpful?
But Private, you're our raw sex appeal. Go find something fun to do and snap out of this funk you're in.
Oh, okay. What's this then?
Carry the two, I think.
Skipper, I don't think we should continue to spy God in this way.
Damn it, Kowalski. We were meant for greater things than allotted ordinary men.
Even as a proud man of science, I can't possibly... My God, I've become death, destroyer of worlds.
Private, make yourself useful and fetch some water pronto. I don't understand your silly words. Kowalski, translate.
I believe he's saying he deserves you carnally.
What's gotten into our sweet, precious Private?
私はスキッパーの些細な追求を超えて成長しました。この新たに発見された自由で、アメリカとマダガスカルを破壊するために2つの爆弾を作成します。
Am I reading those subtitles correctly?
You sure are, Skipper.
Rico, purge his soul with red-blooded American propaganda ASAP.